Here's the 1990 Nissan Laurel Medalist. Just taking a quick video. Wheels, and they're pretty much brand new all around. Inspection's good. Registration. And that's the side right here. It looks like it rubbed up against something. This back part right here, and it kind of a little bit on this back body line, but from what it looks like, it's just something that rubbed. I don't know if you can take the door panel off and maybe push it out from the back side, but I haven't tried yet. So, but that's the damage. You can see it from this side. As you can tell, it's not really prevalent until you get about right at this angle and you can see it. But if you're looking at it from the side, it starts to disappear. But you can see right there. Okay. And then take a look around. See what the rears are still really good. Need the parking brake cables hooked up underneath, under here somewhere. It's basically where, well, it's up above here. The cables are there. I'm trying to get a good angle. I don't know if I can see it or not, but they should be up there. And then pretty clean car, I would say. And then I'll go ahead and start it up real fast. And here's the interior actually too. So I haven't got a chance to wash the car yet, so it's been sitting in storage, but this is what you got. Clean little seats. Clean carpet. Clean back seats. Let me go ahead and start this thing up. Everything's in kilometers. Everything's in kilometers, so it's got 133, which is about 83,000 miles, roughly. It's got a Broadway mirror. That's pretty cool. And then you just wait, like any normal diesel, you'll wait for this little guy right here to turn off, and then you can start it right up. Nice and quiet on the inside. AC works. No funny business. Everything works, no weird noises. Has an auto setting, low, blows real cold. Everything works as it should. Okay. I only have so much recording time, I guess, on the iPhone, but let's open up the hood. See what we're working with here. Struts work, so it holds itself up. No issues there. Just a little diesel. And as far as any leaks are concerned, that's AC. It's dripping right now, so that's the AC line. And then it looks to be, it's like a, I think it's the drain plug. I'm pretty sure it's the drain plug that's leaking. I haven't fixed it, but there doesn't seem to be any noticeable big leaks or anything. Everything's real clean on this thing. When you look at it, kind of scan over everything. Around. I mean, it's just real clean. So I'm sure it's something small. got a nice little quiet exhaust note, no drone, and it has that beautiful 6-cylinder sound when you take off, so I definitely am pleased with that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it with this car.